homestead.
Today is Monday, October 14th, 2024.
I'm Rocco Castro.
And I'm Lucas Saveja.
And you're watching Python TV.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Hello, Python. So, remember when I told you last week that Rocco drank this mysterious drink and that he would shrink by tomorrow? Well, my prediction was right.
Not true.
Come on, let the viewers see.
No.
I said let the viewers see.
Fine.
Yeah, exactly. Now tell them what I told you to say.
Don't drink mysterious drinks you find on campus or at all that make you grow taller and then eventually make you shrink.
Now on to the important announcements.
We love you, Miss Mesa.
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 We love you, Miss Mesa. We love you, Miss Mesa.
Lucas, am I gonna stay this small forever?
Wait, on the bottle it says if shrinkage occurs, just pour 2 drops of distilled water to grow back to original height. Okay, let me try. Just 2 drops. Whoa! today, Pythons. Remember to stay positive, be kind, and don't drink mysterious drinks that you find on the playground.
Yeah, don't make the same mistake I did. Let's make this school year one for the books. We'll be back tomorrow morning news and updates. Have a great day. Go Pirates!